Growing up, John Elmore was always interested in law, but he never saw an attorney who looked like him.
I saw attorneys on television, and somehow I fell into it.
That is until his early 20s when he was working as a New York State trooper.
And the first African-American attorney that I met was a gentleman by the name of Paul Richardson. And he kind of became my mentor and guided me and showed me how to apply to law school.
Fast forward 35 years later, and the rest, as they say, is history. The graduate of Syracuse University School of Law now owns a law firm based in Buffalo, focused on helping people who suffer a serious injury or have lost a loved one in a crash.
The biggest case I ever had was the only death penalty trial that they've ever had in Buffalo, and I was able to keep someone off of death row. So that was very rewarding to represent somebody that the government wanted to kill and to save his life. Let's get him.
And he's doing what he loves alongside someone he loves. His daughter, Kristen Elmore Garcia.
She's super intelligent and very compassionate. She shows a lot of empathy for the clients. And because we're of different generations, she is much better with representing some of the younger people.
We're the only two attorneys in the firm. We have an amazing support staff that they work so hard, and we couldn't do what we do without them. But being part of a two-person team, who do you trust more than the person who raised you to have your back and have your best interests at heart?
Elmore Garcia joined her dad's law firm in December 2021 after working for Erie County.
We've moved locations right here to the corner of Main and Hurdle. We were previously in Williamsville. We have a location that allows us to really be in touch with the people that we serve.
And as we other fathers and father figures, this father-daughter duo have a lot to be thankful for.
I grew up never knowing an African-American attorney, an African-American airline pilot, or an African-American doctor. And when we have a family dinner, my oldest daughter's a surgeon, my son's a commercial airline pilot, and my daughter's my law partner. So that's probably the thing that I'm most proud of in my life.
Father's Day means getting to honor the person who raised my brother and sister and I. This is a single dad. And I think I can speak for my brother and my sister and myself that we owe who we are to you. So that's what Father's Day means to me.
Febin Casahoon, 7 News, Buffalo.